This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power, because most problems trace to low battery or missing transformer voltage. Check battery shows at least 50% or verify 1624 VAC at the terminal. Once done, open the Google Home app and locate the doorbell device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. You remove the faceplate with a Phillips #2 if needed, and if you must touch house wiring, switch off the circuit breaker to prevent shock and protect the unit. You proceed by running diagnostics. Try a soft reboot first, then a factory reset if the doorbell remains unresponsive. This clears firmware hiccups. Next, evaluate network conditions. Google Doorbells favor 4 GHz networks. Aim for signal strength better than -67 dBm, and once done, test with a phone hotspot to isolate router issues. Finally, inspect the physical connections. Tighten terminal screws, look for corrosion, and use a voltage meter to confirm steady transformer output before reattaching the unit. You finish by reattaching the doorbell and watching the boot LED pattern to confirm normal startup. Different colors and flashes indicate success or specific errors, so note them. Once reconnected, force a firmware update in the Google Home app and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the device to stabilize. If problems persist, try changing the router channel or using a temporary 4 GHz SSID, and if that fails, record LED codes and any app error messages to provide when you contact Google support. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.